Right there is 12 inches.
Close. I like 11.
That was good, man.
Right there.
Is that really what you're going to say? 11.
Right there.
All right. 11.
Same shot. Yeah.
Ah, shucks.
Let me win. There?
Right on the money.
Let's go there.
Right there? Yeah. 11.
You might want to check his scale.
There?
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
About 12 inches.
Right on the money.
Right there?
Right on the money, buddy. Right on the money.
Right there? 11 and a quarter.
There.
Ten and a half. That's it?
That's like 9.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's 12 for you? 11. Shoot! Right there? 11 and a quarter. Okay, there.
A little lower, 12 and a half.
Ah.
There.
There?
Yep. Short. 11.
11.
Right on the money.
There it is.
Right there? 14 and a half.
The blade out and throw it.
There. 14.
Not bad to see.
12 and a quarter.
Nice.
There.
There? 11. Good?
Let's go there.
Right on the money.
On the money. There? 12 and a half.
Right there.
Right there? You're at 11.
One guy can do it.
Like 9.
10 and a half. 10 and a half. Oh. 13.
13 inches.
It's too much.
11.
Right on the money.
Oh,
Right on the money.